Hello foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com and today I'm going to show you how to make candied sweet potatoes. This is such an amazing side dish, so buttery, caramelized, flavorful. It also happens to be incredibly easy to make. And my mouth is watering, so let's preheat the oven so we can make it already.
Set the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. To prep the sweet potatoes, peel and carefully cut them in half lengthways. Slice them into half an inch thick half moons. Place the prepared sweet potatoes into a large oven-proof skillet or a baking dish.
I like to use this high-rim skillet because it also has a lid that will be quite useful later on. Now, let's add the pecans.
Next, we're going to make the buttery sauce. To a small saucepan, add the butter, brown sugar and spices. Pour in the water, maple syrup and vanilla extract. Using a microplane, grate the zest of a 1 medium orange. Turn the heat on to medium and stir continuously until the butter is fully melted. Once the sauce starts to bubble, stop stirring and allow it to simmer for a couple of minutes. Remove the sauce from the heat and pour it over the sweet potatoes and pecans. Toss well to coat evenly. Cover the pan and place it into the preheated oven. Bake for about 15 minutes or until fork tender. Once the potatoes are tender, remove from the oven and allow them to cool for a bit.
Just before serving, sprinkle with salt flakes and enjoy. Melt in your mouth soft with a perfectly balanced flavor. If you haven't already, then you absolutely need to add this recipe to your holiday meal plan. Everybody's going to love it! That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on Blondelish.com. And if you're looking for more holiday inspo recipes, then you totally need to check out my cookbook, I Heart Cheese. You'll find some good sides featuring the most popular types of cheese. I'll link it down here for you. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!